2, 1, go. Let me see, what do we got? I didn't even inspect to see what I'm going to do to, which way I'm going to turn them, because usually I look at them to see which way I'm going to turn them first, so I don't mess up my first moves. 2 by 2, done. Pyraminx. And I'm getting an itch. I hate when that happens. Oh, Pyraminx, done. I got to skip a step. Oh gosh, this is gonna be hard. Why isn't this turning right? This one's probably gonna be the longest of all of them. Okay, now what? Done. 2 by 2 by 3 done. Moving on to Scube. Cube done. 3 by 3, my favorite Rubik's Cube. The original Rubik's Cube. I'm shaking so much because I'm trying to go so fast, but speed isn't always better. Sometimes slow and steady wins the race. Three by 3 done. Moving on to this thing. And I haven't solved this in so long. So hopefully I don't forget what I have to do. Oh shoot, that piece doesn't go there. This one is actually really hard. I might be able to solve the mirror cube faster than this one. That's what the next one is. Oh shoot, how'd I just mess that up? Trying to use regular Rubik's Cube algorithms on here doesn't work because of how crazy twisted it is. Oh no. Turn. This thing does not turn well. Okay, now what? Twisted Rubik's Cube done. Mirror Cube. Okay, let's see. What do I got? What do I got? Okay, I'm making the bottom layer. This mirror cube is taking me so long. Okay, I'm finally on the last layer of this very weird Rubik's Cube. I wonder how much. I'm already at 5 minutes. That is not good. Done with that. Now this thing. This thing is going to be so hard because I might have to solve it again if I can't get it right the first time. There's a 50-50 chance that the thing at the end will happen where I can't solve it. That's called parity. And I don't know how to fix it. So I'd have to start over. And then have another 50-50 chance of it happening again. So it could take me to the end of the year to solve this. And I keep getting itches. What is this? Ooh. Uh-oh, I think I'm gonna get parity. I'm gonna get parity. Yep, I'm getting parity. Let me see what happens. Yep, got parity. Starting over. Lovely. Just wasted, like, a minute and a half of my time. I could honestly solve the 4x4 faster than this. Not even lying. Okay, let's try this again. If I get parity again, I might scream. And it doesn't help that this thing does not turn that well because there's no center. Hopefully my phone's still recording because I don't even know if I ran out of recording space or not. If I did, this could suck. I could be talking to myself right now. Okay, I won't know if I got parity for about another, like, 20 seconds. Oh, my hands hurt. Oh, it looks like I might have parity again, but I'm not sure yet. Oh, please. Oh, please. I'm gonna give up. I got parity. What the heck? Okay. If I get parity again, like, I might literally die. If you hear a loud noise start to happen, the furnace here is just about ready to turn on, and it is so loud. I wasted so much time on this stupid thing. I still say 27 minutes and 56 seconds. I think that's what I said at the beginning. My wrists are killing me. Who would think that this is the hardest? I might have even solved the 5x5 by now. Please, no parity. I beg you, please. Ah! Parity! This might be how the video ends. I might literally die right here. This is gonna take up so much time. Please. No parity. I will throw this thing if I get parity 4 times in a row. The odds of that happening are 50-50 chance times 4, whatever that is. I'm not good at math. Okay, I'm almost at the part where I'll figure it out. Cross your fingers, please. I'm gonna scream! I'm gonna scream! Parity again. You might have already figured out this was parity again. I might come back to this. I would have saved, if I didn't get parity even, if I got parity only once even, I would have saved 3 minutes. If I get parity again, I'm throwing this Rubik's Cube and I'm moving on to the 4x4 and I'll come back to it. It's a 50-50 chance, again. It's gonna be 2022 when I finish this. Oh, I might not have parity this time. I might not, I don't think so. But I can't be for sure. Oh, I can't tell. It doesn't look like it. I'm coming back to that thing. I'm gonna scream. Okay, sorry about that, guys. And no, piece just popped out of this. Okay, I got it back in. I got parity again. I'll come back to that thing afterwards. I gotta move on to something else. I gotta take my mind off of it. And I'll come back to it in a second. Okay, this, if I do get parity on it, because it's possible to get parity on this, I know how to solve the parity. I know all of the parity algorithms. Okay, I'm getting close to the part where I solve this like a 3x3. If you don't know how to solve a 4x4, you set it up so you make all the edges and centers, so you then solve it like a 3x3. And if you don't know how to solve 3x3, then you won't know how to solve this even at all. Okay, I got parity on this, but I know how to solve it. Yeah, done with 4x4, going on to 5x5. Why'd I just scramble it even more? I just did a bunch of random turns on it for no reason. I'm still mad at you, little whatever thing you called void cube. Okay, I'm now pairing up the first couple edges. I need to make 3 of them at the beginning. I got 2. Gotta make 1 more. There we go. Now I'm gonna make the centers. The rest of the centers I didn't make. Okay. How did one of my pieces get mixed up? No. Okay. I'm good. I'm putting together the last two edges, and then I can solve it like a 3x3. When I solve it like a 3x3, I'll be able to do it super fast. Hopefully. Okay, solving it like a 3x3. And then you, Mega Minx. And then, I don't even want to talk about, you know what cube I have to do after that I have to come back to. Whoa, dropped it. I'm afraid of a piece popping. I'm going so fast, I don't usually go this fast on it. I'm not even going to look at the clock. I don't want to know how long it's been. Done. Okay. Okay. Now this one is going to take me a little bit. Oh, it's cold for some reason. I gotta be honest, my wrists are hurting so bad right now. I'm trying to go as fast as I can, but I can't. Oh, the pain! The pain! I'm suffering deep pain. Okay, I've gotten past the hard step on here, which is where you make like a Y shape on here. I'm not sure what the step is called. This is making me tired for some reason, and I'm not even like using that much energy, just my hands. I'm getting close. Very close. Still have to do the void cube. I haven't looked at the time in a while. You guys might know what it is. I'm not sure if I'm putting it on the screen or not. There, done. Oh, now this thing. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what I can attempt to do to make it so I don't get parity, but I don't really know anything about the void cube. I don't even know why I put it in the stupid competition. Okay, I'm getting to the point where I'm about to know if there's going to be parity. If there's parity, I don't know what I'll do. I've been saying I'll do stuff, but I don't even know anymore. I think I'm losing my mind. No parity! Let's go! Let's go! Solve. It's stuck. Solve. 23 minutes, 49 seconds. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, I'll see you next time.